Hi, Dr. Nolan. This is my Google Classroom that I decided to do for my course, my online course. It's Google Classroom and all of its workings. This is obviously the teacher version, I'm sure it would look a little different on the student's end, just from it starting at the top of the stream to the bottom, but mine starts down here at the bottom. So I have a welcome online, and then my video that I posted week one, and I'll send you all the links so you can see each video that it goes through. So they have my email, they can contact me, or my phone number that they can call or text if they feel they need help. Okay, so then we move up to what is this course all about? So then they're able to click on the Google Classroom and see the outline of exactly what they're going to be doing. And then I do a YouTube video about this course. Like I said, I'll send you all the links to each video that I created for it. Okay, and then the students are taking a quick pre-course survey. They'll take the same one pretty much at the end, so I can see what they learned from the day. So why are you taking this course? What do you hope to gain? Do you have any experience? What is your fear? Then they move on to their first assignment. So they have to read this article about technology in the classroom, a look at Google Classroom. They have to read the article and then answer what did they think about the article, and they can comment all in there. Okay. Then we move up. So how do you create your own Google Classroom? Watch this video and then create your own Google Classroom. Once you are done, add your class code to the Google Doc. By the end of the day, please join someone's class and introduce yourself to a classmate on their classroom. So another YouTube video on how to create your own Google Doc. And then this is the Google, or how to create your own Google Classroom. And then this is what it will look like for the students. They go in, they write their name and their class code. And then at the end of the day, or by the end of the day, the students have to join someone else's class and take a look at it. What does Google Classroom consist of? How do you post a video and a worksheet? Watch this video to find out. So I created another video on YouTube that shows exactly what everything entails. Okay, then they have their first assignment. Post a welcome to your class, then either find a video pertaining to your lesson plan or create a video that relates to your lesson, post the video to your classroom. So that directly relates to the YouTube video that they were just watching. Okay, how to create and post a quiz for your students. Watch the video. I created another video about how to assign a quiz. Their next assignment is to post a quiz to their Google Classroom. Next video, watch this video on how to meet with your students. This is a way to hold office hours, host live lessons, or post a recorded lesson. Okay, their next assignment. They were all supposed to come with a lesson prepared. This is when you have some time, find videos that enhance your lesson worksheets students can follow, record yourself teaching this lesson. Remember, you should be teaching, including work for the students for a regular class mod. Okay, now that they have created and recorded their lesson, this is kind of towards the end of the day. Share it with a partner, get some beneficial constructive feedback. We want to present the best lessons to our students. Then we had to do kind of a group collaboration. So the students are going to be logging into the Padlet and tell us what they were learning about Google Classroom, if they learned anything new, if they have anything exciting that they learned. Okay, and then they have to take the end survey so I can get feedback on the course. And then just an ending Thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned a lot about Google Classroom and you're on your way to providing your students with a quality distance learning experience. So I will send you this video and the links for all the YouTube videos that I created so you can get an idea of the way my class will work. Thank you.